Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate a Tumblr account in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to just launch your Tumblr mobile application and log in into that particular Tumblr account of yours which you want to deactivate. So deactivation is good if you want to take a break from the Tumblr account, if you don't want to use it for more than 15 days, let's say. So once you are in your Tumblr account, you need to tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, you need to tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner, and here you will be able to see the deactivate account. Now if you are not able to see the deactivate account, you will probably see delete this Tumblr account. So basically, once you tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, if you tap on the top left hand corner of the screen, you will see all of the pages or all of your Tumblr profiles that you have created within Tumblr. So basically you will be able to deactivate or delete one of your pages, and you can even delete your main account. So you need to first of all select that page which you want to deactivate, then tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and now select the option of delete this Tumblr. So here it will ask you to set your password and restart the application, so you need to do that and follow further on screen instructions in order to deactivate your account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.